green beans, French beans, long beans, whatever you want to call them. We're going to cook these today with some lovely little spices, garlic, onions, tomato. So easy. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with this one. By the way, vegetarian and vegan. Okay, so we're going to get straight in on this one. I've got there like a couple of centimeters of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to grab our beans and drop them in. I'm going to fry these off for about 4 or 5 minutes. All I've done with the beans is I've just topped and tailed them. Very simply, like I say, 4 minutes maybe. In we go. And then we're going to take them out and we can move on to the next step. Okay, off goes the heat. So you just want to sort of get them about there, like I say, 4 minutes or so. Very simply, going to get them onto some paper towel. Drain off any excess oil. And then we're ready to move on. Okay, so there's our green beans. We just fried them off. I've got 2 decent sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. 1 onion, I'm using a red onion. I've got some green cardamom pods there. About a tablespoon, I suppose, there of cumin powder. A couple of teaspoons of thyme, tablespoon of garlic. And we're going to get over to the cooker. We're going to add some salt and pepper. I think that's about it. Okay, so I've got my pan here. A little bit of olive oil in there. We're going to drop in our green cardamom pods. Maybe put a few cumin seeds in here if you wanted. Then we're going to drop in the onion. We're on an above medium heat. And our garlic. Keep this moving. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. We'll have this done in no time. They've taken just really nicely. Okay, let's get in the cumin powder, the thyme, some salt, some black pepper, and our tomatoes. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe tomato. That's what we want for this one. And stay on this, fairly lively heat. And you want to go for about 5 minutes now. We want those tomatoes to cook and break down, and they may give off some moisture. Okay, now I've got a fair amount of moisture from my tomatoes. That's because they're nice and ripe. If you didn't, you might want to add a little bit of stock or water. Very simply, let's drop our beans in there now. Throw them around for about just 3 minutes now. And we've got this one sorted. Okay, and there you go. Super easy. If you wanted, you could have added a bit of chili to that. And maybe some cilantro or, coriander chopped in there. It'd be beautiful. But that's it. Really nice and simple. Really tasty. Didn't take long, did it? We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.